We are in the musical instrument repair department at the School Service Center, where we service all of the middle school, high school, and district-wide pianos. We also, in the shop right now, have a grand piano. I would say they are the next largest to the organ. We work on items as small as the piccolo, all the way up to the largest brass instruments, the sousaphone. It's basically a tuba that you wear. We have a string technician, a woodwind technician, a brass technician, and a piano technician. At the end of every school year, we collect every middle school instrument and we service the instrument. Cleaning, repairing dents, broken parts, and having regular cleaning extends the life of the instrument. The repair cost versus replacement cost. For example, a saxophone can cost anywhere from $4,000 to $6,000. So by maintaining these instruments, repairing and cleaning regularly, we're able to extend the life of these instruments sometimes 50, 60 years. There's a string instrument at East High School that we determined was from the 1910s, marked for Wichita High School, and it's still in use.